Welcome to the Website to App Conversion Podcast. I'm your host. Today we're talking about a frustration many Wix site owners run into, trying to turn a working Wix website into a real mobile app without rebuilding everything from scratch, and a simpler way to get it done. If you've spent time poking around Wix's mobile tools, you know they offer a mobile app builder. It integrates with your store, bookings, and member areas. And it's convenient because it lives inside the Wix ecosystem. But here's the catch. It doesn't convert your existing website into an app. Instead, it asks you to build a separate mobile interface in a different editor. Your data stays the same, but the front end does not. That's frustrating for a lot of reasons. Most site owners aren't trying to create a second product. Your Wix site is live, it's designed, and people use it. You want that exact experience. The screens, the navigation, the content available in an app. Recreating screens, rethinking navigation, and maintaining a second front end defeats the point of using a website builder in the first place. There's a simpler way. Wrap your existing Wix website in a native mobile container. Instead of rebuilding your site inside another tool, the app just loads your live site and adds what browsers can't provide. Things like push notifications, home screen installation, and a native app presence in the App Store and Google Play. Why does this work well with Wix? Most Wix sites are already mobile-friendly. The pages, dashboards, and user flows you've set up translate directly into an app experience once the browser Chrome is removed. In many cases, the only thing making your product feel like a website is the browser around it. Remove that layer, and the experience immediately feels closer to a native app, without redesigning or duplicating your work. That's where services like webtoapp.design come in. Instead of forcing you into another editor or a second interface to maintain, they take your live Wix website and wrap it as an app. Your design, layout, and structure remain exactly as you built them. You keep managing content and features inside Wix. Whenever you update your site, the app reflects those updates instantly. No syncing, no duplication, and no extra steps. And yet your users get a genuine app experience. They can install the app from the App Store or Google Play, open it from their home screen, and receive push notifications. From a user's perspective, it's a native app. From your perspective, it's still the same website you already manage. This approach makes the most sense when your Wix site is something people use repeatedly. A store, a membership area, a booking system, or any site with returning users. Removing the browser friction and making access easier can increase engagement and retention in measurable ways. If you want to experiment quickly, services that convert websites to apps often let you design and configure the app in minutes. You don't need to learn a new editor or re-implement your pages. You just point the service at your live Wix site and configure the app settings, icons, splash screens, push notification setup, and store listing details. To recap, if your goal is to make your existing Wix website available as a native app without rebuilding it, wrapping the site in a native container is a practical, low-effort solution. It preserves your workflow, keeps your site as the single source of truth, and gives your users the native app features they expect. Thanks for listening to the Website to App Conversion Podcast. If you're ready to turn your website into an app, check out web-to-app.design to get started. Design your app for free in minutes, and let your Wix site become the app your users will love. See you next episode.